As we embark on this journey, we find ourselves gazing at a ship sailing through calm waters, gliding effortlessly across the surface of the ocean. Have you ever wondered how ships move through the water? Beyond just forward motion, ships experience complex movements across different axes, known as the 6 degrees of freedom. Today, we'll explore the 7 key movements that every vessel must navigate. Let's dive in. First, we have surge. This is the forward or backward motion of a ship along the longitudinal axis, basically the length of the ship. When a ship surges, it's moving forward through the water, powered by its engines, or slowing down due to drag or reverse thrust. Next is sway, which is the side-to-side motion along the transverse axis. Imagine the ship drifting sideways. This happens when currents push the ship laterally or when a ship maneuvers into a port. 3. Heave. Then we have heave, the vertical movement along the vertical axis. This up and down motion is caused by waves lifting and dropping the ship as it travels through varying sea conditions. 4. Roll. Now let's talk about roll, the side-to-side tilting of the ship along its longitudinal axis. You'll notice this when the ship rocks from left to right, often caused by wave action or sharp turns. This can get especially intense in rough seas. 5. Pitch is the up and down tilting motion along the transverse axis, or from bow to stern. This movement becomes most apparent when the ship encounters large waves head-on, causing the front and back to alternate between rising and falling. Next we have yaw. This is the rotational movement around the vertical axis. Imagine the ship's bow turning left or right. Yaw is what happens when a ship changes direction, whether to navigate or avoid obstacles. Finally, there's drift. While not always counted among the primary 6 degrees of freedom, drift refers to the off-course motion caused by external forces like wind or current. It's essentially an unintended combination of sway and yaw, where the ship moves in an unplanned direction. So, the next time you're out on the water or watching a ship from shore, remember that every vessel is constantly adjusting for these 7 movements to stay on course and in control. From surge to sway, pitch to roll, these movements define the dynamics of every ship at sea. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nautical insights.